is our time.
This staggered pole setup is a really useful exercise if you don't have lots of poles or much space, because it helps to improve rhythm and straightness in both trot and canter without the need to build two separate exercises. This can be set up with a minimum of 3 poles, but here we have used 6 poles, which are all of equal size. So for reference, ours are 3-meter poles. So how it works is that the poles are arranged in 2 staggered lines, and where the poles overlap, they create a line of trot poles. We have shown this here using the black arrows. This gives you 6 trot poles to ride through in a straight line. But if you ride around the outside edges of the exercise instead, so here we have shown this by using the red arrows, the poles no longer overlap. So this creates 2 separate lines set at a canter distance, making it ideal for working on a consistent, balanced canter. This clever layout means you can easily switch between trot and canter work just by changing your line without having to move any poles. Once you have set your exercise up, it's really important to walk the distances to make sure it's correct for your pony. As you set up exercises like this more often, you will get used to your pony's stride length, as every pony's can be slightly different. So a trot stride for ponies is usually on about 1 to 1.2 meters. So here we have roughly gone for a meter, and it's important you walk through the line you are going to ride, and that the distances between each pole walks the same, as this is what helps you to create that perfect rhythm. Then for a canter distance for a pony stride, it usually goes on 2.7 to 3 meters. So again, adjust this according to the pony you are riding. It's always good to have someone on the ground with you so they can make any adjustments if it isn't quite right. So as you can see here, this would be the line you would ride if you were coming down the exercise in trot, and these are the lines you'd ride if you were coming down in canter. It can look quite confusing at first, but don't worry, once you've got your eye in, you will be fine. So here our rider is popping through the poles in trot. The key to this exercise is straightness, and you want to get straight as quickly as possible, maintaining the line and the rhythm on the approach and as well on the ride away. Make sure to keep your eyes up, as if you look down, this can put you and your pony out of balance. The exercise is rideable in both directions, and make sure to go off both reins so that you're working your pony's muscles evenly. So again, but in canter, you want to make sure you're riding through the exercise straight. As the canter section of the poles is towards the outer edge of the poles, your pony might be tempted to drift sideways or even run out, so make sure to keep them between your hand and leg and keep squeezing with your legs to keep him moving forwards. Remember, you can always ride through your lines first and walk, which will also help to boost yours and your pony's confidence going through this exercise. We really hope you liked this video, and let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more ridden exercises.